Power Minister Biswajit announces 50 megawatt solar plant in Manipur, aiming for self-reliance in energy and sustainable growth. Security forces apprehended 2 cadres from different UG groups and arrest 2 accused of arson at abandoned house during multiple operations. The Menglong Forest Division explores Arai Bat Cave, unveiling its ecotourism potential and cultural significance. And Thoubal District launches historic Aadhaar link birth registration for children, enhancing access to welfare schemes and services. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Xiaoinam, giving you the news in detail. Power Minister Thongam Biswajit has announced plans to establish a 50 megawatt solar power plant in Manipur, aimed at addressing the state's growing energy demands. The project will be a collaboration between the Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, MSPDCL, and Green Tree Global. The announcement came during the launch of the capacity building of the ISCOMs program held at Hotel Imphal Sangai Hall under the Bureau of Energy Efficiency, Ministry of Power. The program also witnessed the presence of key officials in Chaurasia, B Secretary Milan Diori, Manireda Director Naurim Pravin Singh, and MSPDCL Managing Director H. Santikumar Singh. In his address, the Power Minister highlighted that Manipur is taking significant strides in tackling energy challenges and noted that the state is leading in the Northeast region in this regard. He also introduced a 371 crore rupees subsidy scheme to ensure electricity access for the public. Biswajit emphasized the state's commitment to adopting advanced technology to ensure reliable and efficient power supply, along with plans for new projects to further improve energy infrastructure. The minister also discussed ongoing efforts to educate the public on energy conservation and the importance of using energy-efficient appliances to reduce overall power consumption. Additionally, he addressed the need for better accountability in the power sector, specifically in revenue collection and non-payment of bills, which are critical for sustaining the state's economy. The Power Department, according to Biswajit, is working on strategies to overcome challenges in the power sector with an aim to make Manipur self-reliant in energy management. These proactive measures are expected to address existing issues and contribute to sustainable growth in the sector. We do
not have any like the home generation. We are receiving just around about 13 megawatt. That is the 12% free last year from Lokta. I go to the pale driving. Unless she like posting a city, we don't like putting a single easy. Matam to give Magil, the system Amadi Magil, certainly only she came to me now, Magi 12% forward from the yard. The Madonna satisfied with the environmental impact in Helabra, highway, Wakulda, and a city looked up down to Viro, Alto, and I don't know, like it was the other generation that we are today and the who will come up tomorrow. And what we are today is for our generation, that is called tomorrow. And that is so-called vision. If we do not have our vision, the proper vision right now, we may not be able to our future properly.
Chief Minister N. Biren Singh met with Lieutenant General Raghu Srinivasan, the Director General of Border Routes, at his secretariat in Imphal today. The meeting focused on the ongoing construction of highways in Manipur and discuss various projects aimed at improving connectivity in both the state and the broader Northeast region. In a post on his social media handles, the Chief Minister highlighted the productive nature of the discussion. In a series of security operations conducted in the vulnerable fringe areas of both hill and valley districts, security forces successfully apprehended two active cadres of the KCP Taibanganba and KCP MLF in separate incidents. In Thoubal district, security forces arrested 26-year-old Sapam Paikhomba Maitei, a cadre of KCP Taibanganba from the Waithau Thiam IVR area under Lilong Police Station jurisdiction. Authorities recovered several items from his possession, including a wireless handset DYT and 6 9mm live rounds. In a separate incident, in Imphal West District, Manipur police apprehended 32-year-old Samom Davidson Maitei, known as Loya, an active member of KCP MLF. Maitei was involved in extorting money from local shops in the Singjamai Thongju area. During the arrest at Thongju, Pechu Lampa Pukri under Singjamai Police Station, police recovered a mobile handset, a wallet containing 1,990 rupees and a driving license, as well as a two-wheeler. Both arrests are part of the ongoing efforts to curb insurgent activities and maintain law and order in the region. Manipur police have arrested two individuals in connection with the incendiarism of 3 abandoned houses near the Mandrapukhi garrison on the night of January 26. The two arrested individuals are identified as R.K. Mahesh, age 50 years, and Ishwar Raj, age 30 years. The fire, which was reported by locals and an Assam Rifle sentry around 5:25 p.m., was swiftly addressed due to the prompt action from the security forces and local authorities. Upon receiving the alert, the AR Quick Response Team stationed within the garrison rushed to the scene, secured the area and successfully extinguished the flames. Local police from Haingang along with the Manipur Fire Brigade also responded to the incident, assisting in controlling the fire and preventing further damage. Following the coordinated efforts of the Assam Rifles, local police and the fire brigade, the situation was stabilized and no additional property was lost. The two individuals arrested are currently under investigation as authorities work to determine their involvement in the act of incendiarism. A promising new ecotourism destination, the Arai Bat Cave, Ngamkau Luang Kaikau, was explored by a team from the Tamenglong Forest Division. Led by Karibam Hitler Singh, the Divisional Forest Officer of Tamenglong, the team included Jiol Gamay, RFO Tamenglong, A. Prameshwar Singh, RFO Tausem, Kadairai Kamay, Chairman of Namkau Luang Kaikau Village, along with other village authorities, local youth and staff of the Tamenglong Forest Division. The cave, which was long been kept hidden by the villagers, is of significant historical and cultural importance. It serves as both a breeding and resting site for at least 2 species of bats. The cave features 3 entrances with a section of it stretching approximately 400 feet. Inside, a deep pool and various species of fish were also discovered. In addition to the exploration and awareness program on the prevention, control, and management of forest fires was conducted in the village in the morning aimed at promoting sustainable practices and protecting local ecosystems. Namkau Luang Kaikau is situated approximately 5 kilometers from Khongsang and 40 kilometers from the Tamenglong district headquarters, making it an accessible yet hidden gem with great potential for ecotourism development. The satellite-tagged Amur Falcon named Tui Luan 2 has completed its journey through South Africa and is now back in Kalahari region of Botswana. According to R. Suresh Kumar, a scientist from the Wildlife Institute of India who is monitoring the bird's migratory path, Tui Luan 2 spent nearly 20 days in South Africa, not far from Johannesburg. The falcon had made its first stopover in Somalia after a remarkable non-stop flight across the Arabian Sea, which took 5 days and 17 hours in the last spurt of November 2024. During its migratory journey, Kumar noted that the bird's movement was likely influenced by factors such as food availability and rainfall, which may be guiding its route, particularly in the Kalahari region. On November 8 last year, the Manipur Forest Department, in collaboration with local communities, had released 2 Amur falcons named Tui Luan and Guangram after fitting them with satellite transmitters. The initiative aimed to track their migratory routes and observe environmental patterns. Tui Luan 2, a male falcon, and Guangram, a female, both originate from villages in Tamenglong, which are known as roosting sites for the Amur falcons. Kumar expressed his anticipation that the bird will continue to navigate its migratory route, potentially adjusting its path based on changing environmental conditions. In a historic move for Manipur, Chief Registrar of Births and Deaths and Director of Health Services, Dr. Chambo Golmay, inaugurated the state's first Aadhaar-linked birth registration for children aged until 5 years at the District Hospital, Thobal. The event, held at the hospital's conference hall, was attended by Chief Medical Officer Thobal Dr. Y. Nokul Singh, Director of Family Welfare Dr. N. Hemanta Kumar Singh, and Vital Statistics Consultant Dr. Meena Seram. Dr. Golmay highlighted that the initiative marks a significant milestone in the state's healthcare and public service sectors, ensuring that children's births are registered with Aadhaar links. This will enable better access to government benefits such as scholarships, subsidies, and other welfare schemes. He also noted that the program is in line with the vision of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh to streamline public services and improve efficiency. Dr. Hemanta Kumar Singh assured that the ALBR system would address previous challenges related to birth registration and ensure easier access for families in the region. This initiative is expected to provide children in Manipur with enhanced opportunities and services linked to their official records. As part of National Road Safety Month under the theme Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha, the Traffic Police Wing organized a traffic awareness campaign and demonstration at First Cry Intelitos Preschool, Sagolban. The event aimed to raise awareness about traffic rules and road safety. The campaign was attended by Traffic Police SP Pramesh Arambam, CO of 4th IRB RK Saklemba, and Anand Sapam, Chairman of the First Cry Intelitos Preschool Management Committee, along with local community members. In his address, SP Pramesh Arambam emphasized the importance of traffic rule awareness in preventing accidents and ensuring public safety. He highlighted that educating the community, particularly grassroots levels, on traffic regulations could reduce violations like speeding, overloading, and failure to wear helmets. He also encouraged the public to follow rules such as avoiding overspeeding, using helmets, and adhering to vehicle load limits. The event included a practical demonstration on traffic signal adherence, showing participants the importance of following traffic signals for a safer commute. The initiative aimed to instill responsible driving habits and contribute to reducing road accidents in the community.
Road safety है कि हम देखिए road safety में जो कोई main मागी theme जो क्या नाम है बने बा सड़क सुरक्षा जीवन रक्षा है बा road safety to life है बने बा main वही ना कोई road safety to life है वो देखो ना traffic की इधर लाग दी accident prevention main वही ना accident हो इन्हें हमसे कमाई थोक पनो करम माइना हंदनी सो पपन बगी कमाई हंदनी असी ना थो इन्हें हमसे कमाई हंदनी है वैसे सीधी मेन जिधर फोकस होगा कोई कनोना कोई ट्रैफिक पुलिस ना सीधी नेशनल रोड सेफ्टी मंथ अंदर जनवरी 1 दे होगा जनवरी 31 को कोई पालन तो लाक्सा बनी अदुना मेन वही ना कोई ना ऐना जी कनोना जिधर कोई चार्जिंग लगी वो सीधा हजनिंग बा मेन वही ना पेरेंट्स वही ना ऐना कनोना रिक्वेस्ट है जो ये पेरेंट्स जो लाग पीरगा ऐना हजे बजे माना अंगांग सिंह दसु युम दसु कनोना युम दसु चला दसु ताकि ना बा रूल में हमसे फॉलो करना बा हजे के नहीं ना तौजबनी ngasi je road safety in haira ga देखो मेन वही ना है ga देखो ना लंबी दा चलगा थौबा गाड़ी में हमसे देखो ना करी प्रिकॉशन लौबा कमाइना थौबा करम रूल फॉलो तौबा है सी मैम से देखो road safety दा लाकनी जे मेन वही ना कोई ना गाड़ी थौबा मतम गाड़ी मचा थौबा मतम दा हेलमेट ऊपर चपीबा हेलमेट ऊपर सीधा कोई कनो सीधा ममा मपा दम ऊपर नतबा इचा सिंह तोंबसे हेलमेट फंगबनी अंगांग गिसु लोइनमा अदुसु ऊपर पुबीबा कईगिनोदा सोबो मतमददी अंगांग तुरको मतमददी सोकोई चांसेस अंगांग दुनसु हेन हेलेबा मसागी कनोसु याम कन्ना कनो लेजद्रिबनी ना पी बंगांग मयाम गिदी
Emmanuel Theological Seminary, ITS, officially launched its Silver Jubilee year with a vibrant reopening event held at the JED-B CCNEI Center Church. The occasion marked the beginning of a year-long celebration of its 25 years of remarkable achievements. The event, led by Assistant Professor Najandai Gonmei, included a hymn, "Great in Thy Faithfulness," and an opening prayer by Reverend Dr. Gwingapo Gonmei, pastor of EBC Gaichang Sui Gamei, chairman of the ITS board, welcomed guests and highlighted the significance of the year as a time for reflection and rejoicing. The program featured special musical performances by Wangjat Kongyak and the ITS choir. Reverend Dr. Arai Riami, the first principal of ITS, led a prayer of intercession, while Reverend Dr. Rathaipo Riami, General Secretary of RBCC, delivered the keynote address, emphasizing the theme, "Honor to Transform." The event concluded with a hymn, "Blaze Assurance," and a closing prayer by Reverend Gangkui Gamei. The Grand Silver Jubilee celebration is scheduled for December 4 to 6 of this year. A special outreach program to promote awareness about the Viksit Bharat 2047 vision for a developed India was organized by the Central Bureau of Communication (CBC), Field Office, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting in Purum, Tampak Village, Chandel District. The event witnessed active participation from local leaders and officials, including Makan Kanwar Chothe, VLW of TG Chandel Block, Y. Brojan Chothe, Chairman of Purum Tampak Village, PR Washington Village Secretary, and PR Singha Chothe, an Angalwadi worker under ICDS. Matthew S.K. Bangam, Field Publicity Assistant, FPA of CBC Chandel, explained the significance of the Viksit Bharat vision, outlining the roadmap for India's development by 2047. He emphasized youth empowerment, poverty alleviation, women's development, and farmer support as key pillars of this mission. PR Singh, representing ICDS, highlighted the importance of maternal and child health programs, urging women to take advantage of ICDS services like child nutrition, preschool education, immunization, and health checkups. The program also featured a sport quiz contest engaging participants and rewarding winners, adding an interactive element to the awareness campaign. Before we end, the headlines once again. Megawatt solar plant in Manipur, aiming for self-reliance in energy and sustainable growth. Security forces apprehended two cadres from different UG groups and arrest two accused of arson at abandoned house during multiple. The Manglong Forest Division explores Arribat Cave, unveiling its ecotourism potential and cultural significance. And Thoubal District launches historic Aadhaar link birth registration for children, enhancing access to welfare schemes and services. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.